maximum z is equal to, next example, maximum z is equal to 3x1 plus 5x2, 3x1 plus 5x2 subject to x1 plus x2 is greater equal 100, then 3x1 plus 10x2 is greater equal 400, and 6x1 plus 8x2 is less equal 440, and x1 and x2 are greater equal 0. Okay, solve this solution, find the solution of this by using graphical method. Okay, so here solution of this, firstly write all equation in inequality to equality form. So x1 plus x2 is equal to 100, then 3x1 plus 10x2 is equal to 400, then 6x1 plus 8x2 is equal to 440. Now we have to find points for graph. Okay, and now to find points for graph. How to find points? Here for first line, for first equation, for x1 plus x2 is equal to 100, points are when x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 100, and x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to 100. Okay, so points are 0, 100 and 100, 0. Okay, so for 3x1 plus 10x2 is equal to 400, is equal to 400. So sorry, here not 4 3, here 5x1. Okay, here 5x1, here also 5x1. Okay, 5x1 plus 10x2, 5x1 plus 10x2, okay, is equal to 100. Then when x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 40, and x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to 80. Okay, therefore points are 0, 40 and 80, 0. Okay, this is 2 points. Now for next line, for 6x1 plus 8x2, 6x1 plus 8x2 is equal to 44, 440. When x1 is equal to 0, then x2, value of x2 is 440 divided by 8, means what is their value? 55. Okay, then next is when x2 is equal to 0, then value of x1 is equal to 440 divided by 6, means 73.33 something. Okay, and therefore graph for this graph is here, all points are positive, so this is all are in first quadrant. In this way, here take a scale, 20, 1 centimeter is equal to 20, 40, then 60, then 80, then 90, then 100. Sorry, here 100, here 120. Okay, here 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, Okay, so first points are 0 0 100 and 100 0. So join these 2 points. Firstly, join these 2 points. This line is a x1 plus x2. This line is x1 plus x2 equal to 100. Okay, and this is all points are greater or equal, means their region is the upper side of this line, because this constraint is greater or equal constraint. So next points are 0 40 and et0, 0 40 and et0. So join these 2 points. Suppose here join these 2 points. Okay, so this line is a 5x1 plus 10x2, which is less equal 400, means this is equal to 400, but this constraint is also greater or equal, means their region is also upper side of this line. Okay, and then next is 55 means here, suppose that here something 55. Okay, and next is, sorry, their point is 0 55 and 77.33 their points for this. So points are 0 55, here suppose 55, then 77 divided by 77.33, 77, here 70, here suppose that. Okay, here 77, then join these 2 points. Here if we are join this by scale. Okay, but I am only to try to join here. This line is, and their region is less equal, means this line is a region is below side of this side, and this is their region is upper side. For this line, second constraint equation, their region is upper side and their region is below side. So here no common region. Okay, because if we selected this region, then this constraint does not satisfy common region, and if we selected this region, then this constraint does not satisfy this region. Okay, so therefore here common region is there is no common region. Okay, there is here in this graph there is no common region, and therefore if LPP has your problem has no common region, then which has infeasible solution. Okay, there is no common region which satisfy all constraint, which satisfy all constraints, therefore given LPP has infeasible solution. Okay, this is one example. Then next example is so first example, minimum z is equal to x1 minus 2x2 subject to minus 2x1 plus x2 is less equal 8. Then next constraint is minus x1 plus 2x2 is less equal minus 24. Okay, and x1 and x2 are greater or equal 0. Okay, solve this is this region has also infeasible solution. Okay, it has also infeasible solution. Solve this, and this common region is not for this LPP. Okay, so next example Next example, to see that for unbounded region, maximum z is equal to, example, maximum z is equal to minus 4x1 plus 3x2 subject to x1 minus x2 is less equal 0, x1 minus x2 is less equal 0 and x1 is less equal 4, x1 and x2 are greater equal 0. Okay, so find their solution by using graphical method. So firstly write all constraints in equality to equality. So x1 minus x2 is equal to 0, x1 minus x2 is equal to 0 and x1 is equal to 4. Okay, so their points are x1 equal to 0 or x1 is equal to their points are x1 is equal to x2, means this is a straight line, that is when x1 is equal to 0 then x2 is also is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 0 then x1 is also 0. Here x1 is equal to x2, so this line is a and this line is a x1 is equal to 4, x1 is equal to 4, which implies that x2 is equal to 0, means which is a parallel to x2 axis. Okay, parallel to x2 axis. So plotting this graph, suppose this is a graph, this is x1 axis, this is x2 axis and points are only 0 0. Okay, this is O, this is 0 0 0, this one point for this line. Okay, and next second is 4, suppose here 4 and this is parallel to x2 axis, and so region is less equal, means region is this is region of for this line, this is all R, this is shaded region is a feasible region, this is feasible region. Okay, this is a feasible region. Therefore the shaded region is feasible region and this is a unbounded. Okay, when this line is extended then all regions are this region is very large. Okay, this region is very large, therefore the shaded region is feasible region, which is unbounded region, and therefore for various values of z, for various values of x1 and x2, the value of objective function we get a various values of z. Okay, for various when x1 and x2 are changes, then value of objective function is also changes. So therefore for various values of x1 and x2, the value of z we get various values of z, and therefore given LPP has unbounded solution. Unbounded solution. Okay, so this is one problem. Then similar way we solve the problem. Some examples for homework. Examples. Check that given solution, given LPP has solutions are maximum z is equal to minus 4x1 plus 3x2 subject to x1 minus x2. This problem is of course right. This is given problem. Okay, so here only 3x1 plus 5x2 subject to x1 plus x2 is greater equal. This problem is also given. So next problem is example, maximum z is equal to 4x1 plus 4x2 subject to 6x1 plus 6x2 is less equal to 36, and x1 plus 2x2 is less equal to 10, and x1 is less equal to 6, where x1 and x2 are greater equal to 0. Solve this problem in home. Similar way, next example is minimum z is equal to x1 minus here minimum not maximum z is equal to 4x1 plus 2x2 subject to minus x1 plus 2x2 is less equal 6, and here only given that only one constraint, so there has may be solution. This problem is less equal means for that line all values are less than. Okay, then next example, maximum z is equal to, for homework solve this 2-3 problems. Maximum z is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 subject to 3x1 plus 2x2 is less equal to 12, x1 plus x2 is greater equal to 8, and 5x1 is equal to 10, and next is minus x1 plus x2 is greater equal 4. Okay, so solve this is one problem. Okay, here 5x1 is equal to 10 means this is the only points on this line. Okay, this is a parallel to x2 axis, this line is parallel to x2 axis because x1 is equal to 1. At point 2 this is a parallel to x2 axis, and points of this line are only region is only this is straight line. Okay, for points on that line, this line contains a point only that line. Okay, so take a solution for this. Okay, in this way here suppose that their solution. Okay, solution for this line is maximum z is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Okay, subject to 3x1 plus 2x2 is less equal to 12, 3x1 plus 2x2 is less equal to 12, x1 plus x2 is greater equal to 8, 5x1 is equal to 10, and minus x1 plus x2 is greater equal to 4, and given that x1 and x2 are greater equal 0. Okay, so solution of this example. Okay, firstly write all these constants in equality to equality, and now we have to find points. Okay, so 3x1 plus 2x2 equal to 12, their points are when x1 is equal to 0, then x2 is equal to 6, and x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to 4, their points. So for second, x1 plus x2 is equal to 8, which implies that points are 0, 8 and 8, 0. For third, 5x1 is equal to 10, which implies that x1 is equal to 2. This is parallel to x2 axis at point 2. Then fourth is minus x1 plus x2 is equal to 4, which implies that points are 0, minus 4 and 0, 4. Okay, so graph is taking graph minus 4, here only one constant is negative, so this is a graph x1, x2. Take a scale at highest value is 8. Okay, so take a scale 1 centimeter is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Here also 2, 4, then 6 and 8. Okay, here also -2, -4, -6, -8, and similarly -2 up to so on. In this way, for first line points are 0, 6 and 4, 0. So join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Okay. So then next is x points are 0, 8 and 8, 0. 0, 8 and 8, 0. This is one line. Okay, then next points are x1 equal to 2, which is parallel to, suppose here 2. Okay, here 2. This is a 5x1 equal to 10. This line is x1 plus x2 is equal to 8. This line is 3x1 plus 2x2 equal to 12. Then next is -4, 0, -4, 0 and 0, 4. This is line. Okay, in this way. Now to find region for this line. Region is, first constraint is less equal 0, means this line less equal 0 means their region is a below side of this line. Okay, less equal 3x1 plus 2x2 is less equal 12 means below side of this region. For that line, region is a below side of this line. Then for second, x1 plus x2 is greater equal 8 means for that line, this is line is greater equal means region is a upper side of this line. Okay, means here no common region. Okay, because here for two lines there is no common region, which implies that given LPP has infeasible solution. Okay, so now to no need to find another region of another constraints, but here and next is 5x1 equal to 8. 5x1 is equal to 8, their region is only this line. Okay, all points on this line we satisfy this constraint, because here not less equal or not greater equal. Okay, constraint is not given that less equal or greater equal, here only to given that equal to means only points on that line. Okay, therefore for this no region is common. And next is x1 plus x2 is greater equal 4. Okay, x1 plus x2 is greater equal 4 means below side of this region. So their below side of this line region is below side, and therefore for all here no common region, because there for this line region is upper side. For this 5x1 equal to 10 has 5x1 equal to 10 as region is only line for this line, and for that line 3x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 12 has region is below side, and therefore there is a no common region given LPP has infeasible solution. Okay, so write in word given LPP has infeasible solution. Why infeasible solution in this way? Okay, there is no common solution for we satisfy all constraints simultaneously, and therefore given LPP has infeasible solution. Okay, so here chapter is completed. Next method is simplex method. We have to discuss in next lecture. Okay.